What's the meaning of artiste? Artiste. Artiste.
Artiste. Artiste. Artiste refers to a person who is skilled in the performing arts, such as music, dance, or theater. This term is commonly used to describe an individual who is recognized for their talent and creativity within their respective field of the arts. Artists are typically highly trained professionals and may work in a variety of settings, from small community theaters to large concert halls. They inspire audiences with their performances and contribute to the cultural enrichment of society through their artistry. Overall, artiste denotes a high level of skill and artistic excellence in the performing arts.